God adds no worth, or there's no worth associated when it comes to the color of your skin in God's world. He doesn't look at us and adds value or subtracts value when he sees what culture you are or ethnicity. God looks differently. And 1 Samuel 16 verse 7 says, "The Lord does not see as man sees. Man looks on the outward appearance, but the Lord looks on the heart." So now that we are part of God, that His Spirit is in us, how are we supposed to look at the world? We are supposed to look at the heart. If we would dissect everybody and place your hearts in a long row, can we say who's who? We wouldn't be able if it was a physical heart. But God looks into the spirit, He looks into the heart, and He makes no difference. Race is not an issue. Culture is not an issue. Your worldview is not an issue. It is an issue, but God doesn't take that and devalue you or me. In the spirit, there's no race, no racism. There's no racism in the spirit. Do you know that? And it's an earthly spirit. Is an earthly spirit, not a heavenly spirit. It exists on the earth, not in heaven. So it's a problem. It's a representation of darkness in us that we have to eradicate out of our country and out of the world. Darkness or racism represents darkness, the kingdom of darkness, Satan in charge. So in the kingdom, we are all the same. There's no person living and breathing on the earth that is different in any sense as you are in the spirit. There's no person that's different to us, to you, to me, when it comes to the spiritual realm.